Hop on board for some creative fun. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw a big, friendly bus that's ready to take you anywhere you want to go. Buses are a great way to travel, whether you're going to school, the park, or on an adventure. With this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to draw a colorful and cheerful bus in no time. So, grab your drawing tools and let's start our journey to drawing the perfect bus together.